ये 10th स्टैंडर्ड ये बोर्ड एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन है ये। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर वी डूइंग? आर वी डूइंग वेल? आज हमारे साथ है 3 सर्वाइवर्स ऑफ एसएससी। आई वांट टू आस्क यू गाइस वन क्वेश्चन। एक एलिगेशन लगता है एसएससी स्टूडेंट्स पे, नॉट एज डिफिकल्ट एज सीबीएसई और आईसीएसई। क्या कहना आपका इस एलिगेशन पे?
तो फिर हमें मार्क्स सबसे कम क्यों मिलते हैं?
Maybe because we are dumber. By the way, how much did you guys score in your boards?
I got 88 or something. 88,
What?
88, yeah.
Outstanding.
Sumara, what are you doing here?
But it was easier when I was in SSC. Like it was tougher to get 88 or whatever before.
Yeah, because I got
Yeah.
88 and it was very tough.
I got 84.
Loser.
Yeah, total loser.
I don't want to share my score, man.
Please go for it today, Ja.
We'll do drum
Yeah.
roll.
74, guys.
Okay, nice. That's not 74 is not bad. I thought तू 65 type बोलेगा.
Distinction, तू distinction में आया थोड़ा, तेरे को बीवी मिलेगी.
Pass. अच्छा नहीं, distinction is 75, Joshi.
75.
75.
75.
If you had studied in ICSE, you would have known that.
अकेला मर साले, अकेले मर.
I ended up.
Let's just get into it. We're gonna go through different question papers today, all right?
मैं तो ओम लिखता था मेरे को हमेशा हर पेज पे.
Science paper में भी ओम
तेरे को
लिखता
आधे
है
क्वेश्चन पता नहीं थे, इसलिए टाइम था तेरे पास ये सब करने के लिए.
साइंस पेपर में फॉर्मूला वो केमिकल बैलेंस में ही मैं ओम लिख देता था, like. But tell me one thing, this third point is so counterproductive to a environmental paper.
टू मेरी आंखों में देख के बता, you care about the environment?
I love the environment, guys. Tsunami is my favorite natural calamity.
Hey, tell me, which human tragedy did you enjoy most?
No. It actually sounds like an SSC question, right? 200 or less.
Tsunami,
With examples.
tsunami, boon or bane.
Answer to each multiple choice question should be written with correct option. क्या है ये? Please write with pen. Please sit down while writing. Don't forget to breathe.
Given below with the correct sequence: grasshopper, snake, paddy field, eagle, frog. Frog को snake खाता है, snake को eagle खाता है.
और ईगल को बिच्छू गैंग. एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स चाहिए यार.
भाई ये है ट्रू एसएससी. वाले बीच के ट्री से भी ये होता है SSC.
I just know at the end of everything is one Chinese person.
Are all prokaryotes unicellular?
What is prokaryotes? I have forgotten all of this.
They're professional carriers.
Yeah, prokaryotes are unicellular.
There was first karyotes, then there was karyotes S, and came out with prokaryotes.
Okay.
Now they have karyotes SE. Okay.
Also, guys, karyotes are very good for the eyes. If you eat carrots, very good for the eyes.
I believed him for like a second. I was like, oh.
Yeah, actually, it sounds something. जो लगे.
What should be done if the gas cylinder at your home catches fire?
Option D is
One should run away. One should run away.
ये 10th
Option
standard,
D.
ये board exam में question है ये.
There is option E, which is police should open investigation into dowry deaths. If anybody wanted to know what is the opposite of Khan's Academy, welcome to the channel, guys.
Science is done.
Science
That's it.
is-
Who was good at math?
I wasn't.
First.
ICSE students.
Maths. Okay, चलो. Find the value of k from the systematic. ये solve कर सकते हैं हम लोग. Value of k. 3 into
9 and 3 into minus 5.
हाँ, तो 27 minus 15y plus ky.
equal to 8.
तो y common हो गया. 15 plus. अच्छा छोड़ ना, ये सब पुरानी बातें क्यों याद करना है? Average monthly salary of 24 members of group is 20,000. If one more member whose monthly salary is 25,000 has joined group, then what will be average salary of the group?
Jealousy.
1,000.
Oh, these age questions have come.
अरे
Age
मोहन-
questions.
मोहन भी आ गया.
Mohan's father is 5 times of Mohan. 5 years ago, the difference between their ages was 24. So x minus 5x mince 5
minus x minus 5.
minus x minus 5.
The answer should be age is just a number, guys.
What I like about this paper is that as the category of marks went up, our voices became low.
Yeah.
5 mark answer में सब low. 1 mark answer में like And
Overall,
by the
we
time we
must-
got to the second half of the paper, Dudeja was like, age is just a number.
All right, let's look at geography.
History.
Figures to the right indicate full marks.
Full
उसके bracket में. That does not mean you will get it.
Yes, and look on your face indicates actual marks.
Members of BRICS.
No, it's Saudi Arabia. What is the S in BRICS?
like
Sexy time.
Brazil, Russia, India, China, Saudi.
All of them. All of them.
Yeah.
State whether true or false आ गया.
Okay, guys. Fifth answer, like the Indian economy, Brazil economy is also mixed type.
Economy है क्या Haldiram's? Like,
Mixed.
You know what the Indian economy type right now is?
folk.
अरे माँ चुदी परी.
Observe the map and answer the questions given below it. Oh, I
Yeah.
should love this. This was easiest to solve. What does the map show?
India.
India.
No, it is. That's stupid. No, it's
Railway route.
railway routes and airports also. Name any two airports from eastern coast.
Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam.
But you have to give proper name, no? Like Kempe Gowda and all.
क्या है?
No,
Railway
that's
routes.
for your Ola app, not Ola.
In which states railway routes are not exist? ये क्या है? गलत English.
In which question grammar rules are not exist?
माँ चुदी परी.
हिस्ट्री देखते हैं. हिस्ट्री में नीट डायग्राम कहाँ से आया? हिस्ट्री में कौन गांधी जी का कोई डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर रहा है क्या? Explain the term aggressive nationalism.
Can I just write look outside your window?
What is economic imperialism?
When you like Amazon but not Flipkart.
What are disadvantages of globalization?
Coronavirus.
Dash is the core of democracy.
Prime
मैं
Minister.
तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर ही बोलने वाला हूँ। ये ऑनलाइन जा रहा है तो मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर ही बोलने वाला हूँ।
This is civics now, right? This is not history.
अरे इंडिया का 90% प्रॉब्लम तो यही है कि हिस्ट्री पेपर का 10 मार्क सिविक्स था।
हाँ, और सिविक्स नहीं पढ़ा करके अभी हिस्ट्री भी चेंज हो रहा है.
बेसिकली सिविक्स हिस्ट्री के साथ ट्रिपल सीट आता था।
What is regional inequality?
It is IT cell.
What measures are taken to ensure people of different religions will live peacefully?
Hey, great stream, guys. Thanks so much.
I like how this says question 1. Do as directed.
All the other questions, macha.
This is a fun one, huh? Paragraph देते और बहुत सारे.
हाँ, comprehension आ गया.
Anil
You know, I remember, Joshi, in school, I never knew the actual meaning of the word comprehension.
हाँ,
Like, to me,
same.
comprehension was just paragraph आएगा, सवाल आएगा. I was still a thief when I met Anil. Okay, it just began.
Right then.
It just began.
Isn't Mukesh writing it?
I give my most appealing smile. I want to work for you, but I can't pay you. It's fine, I will do for exposure. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. He took me to his room over the
What
Jumna.
nation is going on?
But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog. Complete the following web chart. Qualities of
Qualities of
Anil.
Anil.
We should learn from our own mistakes. Explain.
When I do, I will.
These sounded so like scary, right?
Yeah.
We should learn from his. Explain this.
Now you have to give qualities of passion posy also.
Passion posy क्या है?
नीचे देखना.
Oh my God, poetry!
Poetry,
I
no?
remember we used to read poetry and answer.
Poetry
Prose
सीख लिया
and
तू.
poetry.
तेरे को याद नहीं है पेपर आता था आराम से ये करते थे.
There is no option. A formal and informal letter.
Write a letter to your friend Manish or Manisha, appealing him or to donate generously.
यार मनीषा मैंने सुना है तेरे पास बहुत खून है आजकल.
सिखाती भी मैं हूँ, ब्लड निकालती भी मैं हूँ. अपने ब्लड के दम पे मेड भी.
तू ए पॉजिटिव से भी चांस ले देगी तेरे को. बी पॉजिटिव, ओ पॉजिटिव, सबको छोड़ के तेरे साथ ही आएगी.
Bloody blood banks, boy. How was it for you guys to go down memory lane?
I
Yeah.
still see the pressure. Like the minute I see the paper, I'm like it just it's built in. Like
Yeah, like
मैं-
I'm I'm willing to bet that at some point over the course of this weekend, एक exam miss होने वाला dream होने वाला.
Sumaira, you post SSC. Now that you look back, do you think you wasted a lot of time stressing about shit that you shouldn't have?
Yeah, it's true. There was a lot of pressure, but the thing is that SSC, now that I think about it, according to me, it was fairly simple.
Chalo. On that note, thank you very much for joining me, and let me know in the comment section what you want us to.
एक second, अभी तक तो एक question paper answer करने का most important part तो हमने नहीं किया.
क्या?
तूने ये वाला किया? तू तो चुप बैठ top first. And the worst nightmare of it all. Fuck, backside भी था.
All right, do follow everyone, and if you enjoyed this, let them know. Message them on Instagram. The link in the description. Make sure you hit like. Abhi like dabao, abhi subscribe karo. On that note, gentlemen, please wave goodbye. I will see you guys soon.